sky it tells of your glory. Every star reveals your wisdom shines. Our eyes cannot deny your story. We read thy name in fairy lines. The rolling sun, the black of darkness. Night and day, your powers confess. But the blessed volumes you have written reveals your justice and your grace. Break this grip that surrounds me. Pierce the heart with sound unheard. By these your judgments sealed and your truth revealed. It's in your nature and your word. The sweet, sweet taste of honey, nor the gold the furnace past can never compare to your glory. Thy promise leads my heart to rest. Your spreading gospel will not slumber till every corner it doth hear. Till you have blessed all the nations, when your light and your work is made clear. Make wise from the simple, pierce the heart with sound unheard. By these your judgments sealed and your truth revealed. It's in your nature and your word. Grip that surrounds me, pierce the heart with sound unheard. By these your judgments sealed and your truth revealed. It's in your nature and your word. By these your judgments sealed and your truth revealed. It's in your nature and your word. It's in your nature, Lord. It's in